What's going?
Yeah, I'm just doing a little review on my Chinese-made TimberPro CS2500 top handle chainsaw. The specs on it are 25.4 cc's, 1.22 horsepower. Works really good. Great weight balance. Right now this chain has cut down 8 pine trees today, 12 last weekend, so a total of about 20 trees, and I have not had to touch up the chain, so it holds a good edge, high quality chain for a Chinese brand. And all the trees are about the same size as these. And I'm going to fire up the saw, knock down a tree, and then show you how it performs, and then talk a little bit more about it. This is where it's really nice. Hold the saw in one hand, cross brush with the other. Overall, really good saw. It started out of the box after about 30 pulls because they had to get the gas all the way through the fuel line. After that, settings are perfect from the factory. I ordered it on Amazon through a vendor called Great British Tools. I clicked on expedited shipping. I had it in the door in less than 72 hours. Cost about $200 with shipping. Would I buy this saw again? Recommend it? Definitely would recommend it. There are cheaper versions without the TimberPro brand, but I'd stick with the name brand from a regular company because it'd be easier to return it if there's any damage or anything. And definitely worth the $200. And by looking at the plastics and bits and pieces, It could be a copy of an Echo, I'm not sure, or the same company that made this saw makes some of the Echo top handles, but definitely not a beginner saw because of the top handle design. Takes a little more skill and respect for the saw because you have one hand on it some of the time, but a saw like this, perfect for brushing. The only drawback on it is, I'm gonna zoom in here, is the adjuster is either really cheap metal or it's plastic. Change the chain, which you don't have to do too often. You'd have to undo a bolt here to take the guard off, so it's really not that much of a hassle, but it requires an Allen wrench. The other nitpicking thing I have is the length of the bar. It would be better with a 12-inch. It's got the power to handle it. In pine hardwood, probably not. I haven't cut any hardwood with it. Chain brake works really good, except it's a bit of a pain to reset. Other than that, it's very economical on gas, runs good. Great, like I said before, great balance. Really good saw, so back to work.